So namaskar everyone, and friends, a very very warm welcome to all, and wherever you all are, I hope things are looking good and everyone is taking good care and keeping healthy. Listening to some excellent case studies, and interaction with some outstanding, diverse, and versatile leaders every Saturday morning over the last 6 months. For me, it's like going back to the B school, and it's been a great experience and learning, to be honest, and well, I was teasing everyone I'm the lucky one to be here in Bangalore enjoying the outstanding weather at 23 degrees, while Aksh and Chandresh and Aditya are enjoying that 30 degrees plus. But yeah, so I've filled in my cuppa, and I'm going to hear the great set of leaders today on a fantastic topic, so very, very relevant today. And I must also compliment for today's topic to Aksh to work along with our editorial team led by Hari, because the subject is so very core, and he is really prepared for the session, and let's see how the discussion progresses. I actually also won't mind calling the today's discussion from work from home or to living at home, and work from home, as we were just chatting before this conversation starting, is fatigue in real, and most of us cannot wait to return to our workplaces, but it is also very true that, working from home for months, people's habit have changed a lot. They're trying to adapt themselves to the new normal. But now, as the companies around the world are calling their employees back, there is an anxiety of stepping out and travel. And to reduce that anxiety, companies are working overtime, and to give them a safe workplace. So let's be assured that post-COVID-19 workplace is not going to be same at all. And in my informal conversations with a lot of C-suite leaders, one can sense that there is a ongoing tussle to reevaluate the so-called corporate real estate strategy. And you hear those regular murmurs in any discussion which says that we are working from home until it gets safer. We may not be extending our office lease now. Our offices are underutilized. Let's optimize our real estate. Gone are the days where you'll be working from offices. We're running on a tight ship. We need to do a cost optimization and multiple things, but many also say that, cost is important, but we're not going to compromise on the real estate. That's not the real savings for us. Virtualization is good, but people have to return back to the office. So you just hear both the side of the story today, So the second question that is also now arising is that what are those major challenges in workforce that is returning to the office? How do you ensure that there's health and safety is being taken care? How do you adapt to the new evolving regulations every day? How are you building the trust and confidence of the employees? While technical measures are also in place, the C-level are also taking a lot of visionary approach on this subject, and they're saying that there needs to be a hybrid model of working from home and office, and what role would remote work will play as we go forward from here? How will the technology take place? How will that change around the entire innovation and creation of things and so on? But overall, I can say that the idea is that how do you reduce the cost? How do you enhance the value? How do you improve the services? And how do you instill the innovation? And on CEO's mind today, business revival is top of the mind. But it will not be possible unless the employee health and safety becomes the utmost priority. So friends, today we have an outstanding panel to chat about all this and much more. So kindly allow me to introduce them. So we have Abhay Tiwari, Head Corporate Real Estate, BNP Paribas. We have Aditya Meena, Partner Consulting, Deloitte, India. Chandresh Natu, Practice Head, Wipro HR Services. Sangeeta Ray, Country Head, Siemens Real Estate. Sharmila Khan, Director, Human Resources, India, Micron. And to moderate the panel, we have dynamic Aksh Rehtogi, CEO and Country Manager, ISS Facility Services Limited. So all the leaders today are closely involved in the workplace dynamics to ensure safe work environment and cost optimization for the corporate real estate. Aksh and everyone, a very warm welcome. Aksh, the screen is all yours. And I will return towards the end of this conversation to know what's happening in everyone's life other than work. And I was telling Aksh before that I want to surprise my wife today. So I'm going to ask him towards the end that, how do you differentiate between the cleaning and sanitizing and disinfection as well? So how those three terms very different. And until then, Aksh,